and do simple joins, then advanced joins. Baki all you can actually keep it paused. This only repeat, 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 repeat. Once you are so strong, then you can do it like chota things. We covered indexes, we covered stored procedures, we covered functions, we covered triggers. When it comes to MongoDB, sir, MongoDB is very simple. We don't do much. MongoDB, I want everyone to go for the compass, go with uh, in MongoDB also, which is like CRUD operations, aggregate. After CRUD, directly go for aggregate. No worries. Operators. Baki all theory. This much only MongoDB. Like modeling and all, those were the extra things. I'm just telling you in a short way. We also covered something like sharding, replication, kind of. We didn't discuss the Mongo dump, which I will show you today, and the Atlas. You need to know Atlas. That was one of the important. These were the things according to our syllabus. We'll discuss in detail and we'll answer your query on any particular topic. We'll repeat those particular things. We'll provide you the interview questions. We'll discuss on any other things, projects and all. Okay. Yeah. Before I start, as usual, let's start with the final story of John. Once upon a time, there was a guy named John. Good. Now, John is an intelligent guy. He wants to succeed in life. He knows everything. Interestingly, he likes everything. That was the problem. One day, John, kind of likes he when he do some kind of work, he wants to become some kind of thing. He wants to become some kind of software engineer, but he never went to the software engineering interviews because he's not perfect in it. John likes to do painting, but he never paint because he's not getting some perfect knowledge in it. John likes to do some kind of, dance, but he never tried because he knows he is not perfect in that. Everything John likes, John wants to do, but John never tried or John never got that thing. That is because he always feel he is not perfect enough. If someone asks him to go to an interview, he will feel it like, no, no, I will read it everything. First, I will understand everything. I will become perfect and I will go. Interestingly, it never happened. You all know AI, na? We all are living in AI, na? You know what is one thing that AI never have, the humans have? Imperfection. AI can have creativity. AI can have it like whatever the things. But humans are not perfect. We all are humans. We are not perfect. There is no ideal gas in chemistry. There is no ideal machine in physics. There is no ideal human being in the world. Maybe it's God, like we don't know. But the humans are imperfect by definition. Sometimes we have jealous, sometimes we have it our own things, egos, selfishness. And not only that, we are driven by that. Our actions, our emotions. The moment you try to become perfect, you slowly started getting, kind of taking it more time and slowly the remaining people also avoid you. That is because no one likes perfectionist. No one. Some people say it when I do one work, I wanted it to be 100%. No one actually do 100% work. If you really wanted to take 100% work, it will take it like years of time. But in corporate, one principle is there. You have to ship fast and then reiterate. If you are building one product, sir, I have one idea. I have to build an app. Normally, what the people will do, they think they do it like nice app. I have to do something crazy, very interesting, perfect app. But corporate people will say, do it like some chota app. Same app, whatever you want to do it like chota version. Release it first. Then change it one thing. Then change it one thing. Then change it one thing. Because humans are imperfect. Humans like imperfection in other human beings. Imagine really masterpiece is there. People don't like it because people don't understand it 100% perfection. Mona Lisa is there. It's one of the greatest painting. But there are so many kind of imperfections in it. And that what makes that particular painting something so crazy. AI never creates something with imperfection. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, you all have so much potential, sir. Same like the John. You all came to Amirpet. You all want to start your career, but don't run behind the perfections. Maybe you are not perfect in Java. Maybe you are not perfect in communication. Maybe you are not perfect in Python. You are not perfect in MySQL. You are not perfect in some another thing. What chhod do? Start it today. I'm not good in English, but you can understand my English, na? It means you can speak. I can understand Hindi, but I speak thoda thoda Hindi. But I speak them. Simple. Sometimes it will be funny to other people. Literally, people laugh at it. But I like it. That makes the thing environment cool. If I go to something like Chennai, I speak Tamil. But doesn't mean that I know Tamil. Whatever the two words I listen, I will just say those two words. Simple. The only thing which people require from another people is to do your step and consistency. Do you think first day when people will go to the gym, they will lift some kind of 500 kgs? No, no one do that. Some 100 kgs, some 100 push-ups. No, first pull-up is always hard. Too much hard first pull-up. I don't know whether girls knows this or not. Boys knows this. Anyone tried first pull-up? Good, very few people. Then you will know in future. But once you try it slowly, one day you will reach your limit. Imagine first pull-up is easy. Then your gym guy will say it like then do three pull-ups. Imagine one day three pull-ups are easy to you. They will say it like do five, do 10, do 20, do 50. Once you reach your threshold, they'll increase it. The point is, no one is first day, kind of thing. If you start learning the bike, it doesn't make immediately you will become racer. You should not see that racing videos when you start your bike. That is what happens in real world. That is a problem with most of the freshers. For example, when I do MongoDB, when I do MySQL, when I do coding, I have it like almost 8 years, darling. So 8 years every day I'm doing this. Your sirs and everyone are doing it from years. When they are coding, you should not feel it like how they are doing it that much crazy. That is because they are doing it for 8 years. When you are doing first day gym, you should not see other people how they are lifting that much. I'm not able to lift. Nay, you are imperfect. You should become slowly, but never stop it. That is a problem. Like majority of the freshers I see. Amirpet, Amirpet. Can you guess how many students are there currently now? It will be easily some kind of 10K. Easily whole Amirpet, all institutes 10K will be there. Any particular time it will be there 10K. Do you think all will be settled in the next one year? Hardly actually no. That is because, sir, some people were really passionate. They will get it within a month. Some people will try. They will get it within 3 months. Some people will really kind of, I don't know, bad luck or something. 1 or 6 months or something. Some people don't try only. They feel it like, let's complete. I met one Python guy and I asked him, like, are you trying for jobs? That guy said it like, I don't know much about it. He's already 3 months he's learning. He said it like, no, no, I will complete the course and then I will go for the interviews. How much time it will take? Another 9 months. Oh yeah, that means. Did you attended any interview, sir? No, na? Why? Because you don't know the thing. That is what you felt, na? Think it's like going to a coffee shop, go to interview. That guy will ask you what is Python. Say it is a snake. कुछ नहीं होता. But you understand what questions they will ask. You understand how to be in front of them. You understand how to speak to the people. Isn't it? When you go to interview, with you almost some kind of another people also will come now from another places. They all will become your friends now. You all will share some kind of groups or something. And next time an interview is there, when that guy is going, they will tell to you. In real time, no one will tell you these things, Ray, but these are important. You go to one interview, in that interview, almost another 20 people will come. You will become friends with the 20 people. In the 20 people, any and one person will go to another interview next day. That guy will tell you because you are his friend. And again, you will go to that interview, you will get another 20 people. After 3, 4 interviews, you will understand how to answer questions. No one asks, like, see, if you don't know what is Python, chhod do re, kuch nahi hota. But still, people don't like, people are like, only people who knows only we will hire. No, people want confidence, people want speaking, people want communication, people want real kind of confident people. I want you to become that. 10 interviews, 20 interviews, if you go, you will understand that. Are you all getting my point, ma? I usually say this example, I don't know whether I said it or not. First time when you tried something, imagine someone rejected you in your life. First time you proposed, someone rejected you, it feels so bad, na? Obviously. You also got rejected, sir. Good one. What if 10th one also rejected you? Will you feel bad again? No. You know why? Because you know 11th one will come. And that is reality, sir. First time I went to one interview, I have so much fear. अरे क्या हुआ रे? This guy have more fans than me. Good. No. Imagine, first time you went to an interview, you have so much fear. Like, what if they rejected you? You have it like you need finance things, you need other things, you need these things. You have so much attention also. But if you lose it, you will cry. You will feel bad. Array, I attended everything. I did so much good, but still I lost it. But on 10th time, you will never feel bad. क्योंकि हो गया वो. Okay, I went. Oh, so हो गया. But you will get a lot of confidence also. When first time you can't speak, 10th time you will speak so confidently. You know what words you should use. Are you all getting my point, ma? In engineering, there is one subject called M1. I usually tell this. You all know M1, na? I failed M1 first time. I always tell this example. First time I failed, but I studied actually. I wrote second time, third time, failed only. Fourth time I qualified. Interestingly, fourth time I didn't study only. Anyone guess why I passed in fourth time without studying? Not copying, okay? No. That good one. You are senior than me. Now, fourth time I got passed because I know how the paper will be. I know what questions will come. I never studied the whole chapter. I know, okay, this question will not come, this question will not come, this question only will come. So that question only I studied. Simple. Whatever they gave, I wrote that answer only. I passed. My point is also same. You go to first interview, you don't know anything in Python. Kuch bhi. Not not even what is Python you know. You go to interview. They will ask you 10 questions. Na? You will say each one you don't know, and then all the 10 question. Next time when you go to interview, in this 10 question, at least one question will repeat. And when you repeat this 10 times, na, all questions you will answer. You don't know Python still. Are you getting my point, ma? Are you all understanding? Believe me, this is the real work. People don't tell you. Anyway, your course will take another 3 months, na? Python, you all are in Python, na? Another 3 months it will take, na, for sure. Easily 3 months more only. So 3 months you have to stay in Amirpet only. Imagine 1 week you are going one interview. Every week go to one interview. How to go to that interview, sir? In high tech city, there are something like open walk-ins every week. People don't know. People will go to Naukri. Whenever they get mood, they will open the laptop. They're like apply, 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 apply. Applied. Then sleep. Is not how the work. You have to call the people. Type it. What are the startups in Hyderabad? You will get so many startups. Each website ko call karo. I'm calling for, oh, is this the really this company? Yes. I heard from my friend that this company is having some vacancy. I am so and so fresher. I completed this so and so. Can you tell me the email so that I can drop my resume? That guy will tell you email. And then you drop your resume. That guy will contact you. You have to call to companies. Sometimes you directly go to companies. There are so many startups, so many. In high tech city, every week there are free walk-ins. How do you know them? That's what I'm telling it. First one thing you know, second thing onwards, that remaining people will know, will tell you. If you sit in Naukri, LinkedIn, कोई नहीं बोलता है. Don't depend on institute also, sir. I'm telling it. Sir, after 1 year, will institute provide the job? Will you wait until that time? If institute is providing after 3 years, will you wait for that time? No, I don't want you to depend on anything. Is this clear, ma? So start your works. Same like John, I don't want you to stuck. One day John will be successful. I know that. One day I want you to be successful. Okay. Now let's start our complete revision. Help us, sir. Huh? What help? When will John get married? He will never get married only. Who will marry Ray, that guy? No one. If we don't know subject, then we selected. Then how to we manage after that entering company? Google. I managed with Google only. Believe me, sir, if you don't know swimming, someone throw you in the ocean, you will get swimming or you will die. Anything will happen. I don't think you die. Believe me, try it any sim. Don't try it in ocean, but go to pool. Just jump. You will learn swimming automatically. That is not too difficult. The same way, if someone throws you at the company, automatically you will get the work. It's not too difficult. Any person can do. Now, sir, if I want you to try first day, day one, after installing it, try this. It won't take more than 1 day DDL and DML. 100% in 1 day you can do both. Master at it. It's not difficult. 1 day is like 1 hour. That's it. And I want you to spend 3 days on order by, group by, operators, limit, offset, subqueries. 3 days. That is more than enough. Then day 5, do only simple joins. Simple, very, very simple join. वो कैसा करता? First, I want you to know, if you see the question, you should understand left join, right join, inner join. Which join I have to use, you have to understand by seeing the question. How do I know? If I am in a fresher one, how will I try? I will go here. I will open here something like lead code SQL 50. In this lead code SQL 50, I will see. Imagine if I'm a fresher who don't know anything. I will open this. Now there is one question. First, I will read the question. Something ID is the primary key for this one, and each row of its table ID and name of the employee. And they ask you to do write a solution to show unique ID of each user. If a user does not have unique ID, replace it with null. Okay, they give me something. Then, if I don't understand question, I will see examples. After seeing examples, see in examples, there are two tables. One is Alice, 7 is Bob, 11 is Mayor, 90 is Winston, 3 is Jonathan, employee uni, then 3 is 1, 11 is 2, and 90 is 3. So this numbers here should match with this numbers here. Only common data should come. No, if data is not there, for example, for one guy, it is not there. For one guy, they want it null. That means left side I want na, left side pura chahiye. So left join. But sir, how to do left join? Imagine I don't know. If I don't know, sir, immediately I will open here YouTube. Then I will go here. Understand. First, I read the question. I didn't understand. Then I see example. I understand example, but I didn't understand like how to do. Then I will take this question number. Sorry, what happened? Huh? How it is possible, रे? Two screens कैसा आ गया रे? Google Chrome started recently split screen. In Google Chrome, you can put one screen two times here. Split screen. In one time only, you can do split screens. Anyone saw that recently? Something like split screen frame. Like in one screen, one view only, you can see two. Anyway, sure though. That is why I was confused. Now, anyway, 1378 lead code SQL. I will type. Then some guy will come. This chota problem he is explaining for 10 minutes. I will listen whole 10 minutes. Then after closing the video, then I will type it. I will write the query. I will sign in and then I will submit it. If the query is correct, fine. Again, I will see another question. Again, I will not understand anything. I will see the example. Maybe sometime in my mind, the answer will come because I'm doing it. If it is still not coming, again, I will go to YouTube and only for that problem I will see. But see, sir, imagine total 10 questions are there. 5 questions I saw the YouTube videos and done. Sixth question, at least my mind will tell na, Array, you did 5 questions, do this way. Right now? There is nothing wrong in this. But what the freshers are doing wrong is they open the first question, they see it, they don't understand, they feel frightened, scared. They are like, chod do, I don't want to study only. Or they will go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give answer, copy paste kar raha hai. वो भी wrong hai. Someone has to explain, you have to listen, then you have to try. Again someone listen, try. Again someone listen, try. Again someone listen, try. This time mind will tell automatically to you, because you are not inventing the NASA project. You are doing chota 3 lines SQL, simple. Are you getting my point, ma? Always remember, when someone gave you some big project, think in front of the Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix. These projects which you are doing are very, very chota. Hardly it should not take much time, right? Now, if you try like this, sir, if you try like this, it will be perfect. Go here. Day 5, I will try simple. Then day 6, 7. Did you observe? I never take break because there are no breaks. In gym, people will take relax breaks, but in study, never take. Consistency is the key. Daily you should do. Then do this one. 6th, 7th. If you want 8th, 9th, also do the advanced joins only. Then day 8, more difficult queries. Sir, if I wanted difficult queries, how to do it, sir? If I want difficult queries, na, I will go here, internet, hardest SQL queries or difficult SQL queries for interview. So then people will tell you some interview questions. Believe me, I'm beginner na, so I don't understand them. First question I don't understand. I will see the answer. I will read it. I will understand it. And again, second question, third question. 30 questions are there. Imagine 20 questions. I'm seeing answer and understanding. 21st question, your mind will definitely tell. Are you getting my point, ma? If you copy paste 20 paintings, 21st painting, your mind will do really. Now, if you do this way, sir, last day you can do this indexes, SP, fun functions, for triggers. This one I this one I don't give much preference. They are like syntaxes, simple. In interviews, people ask you about this only. Even in real world, they are useful. Sir, is this over MySQL? No. After this, day 10, Power BI. What you will use? Sir, is it difficult, sir, Power BI? Anyone tried Power BI? बहुत सिंपल है सर. Power BI को जाओ. Open here. It will open Power BI. Open some blank report and import from SQL. I want to import from the Excel. Import from Excel. Click here. It will import the data from Excel, sir. Then I will go here in Naresheti, in 9MDB, in MySQL. I want all SQL files. Okay, I don't have it here. Where I have them then? I don't know where I have them. Some kind of archive files or something. I don't know. Archive. This is the one. See, then I will get it like season wise data. I will copy this. I am just uploading it. It will create the table. I will load the data. That data which you are loading have two columns. That data will come right side here. Data. देखो, here data आ रहा है. In this data, which one you want? I want seasons. In this seasons, winners, and each one how many matches they played. Each one how many matches they played. Nice. But is it looking good? No, because I don't like tables. Okay, see this? Each one, so much data is there. Now I want them to have some kind of grouping. You can select any one chart here. I will select one chart here. See, some nice chart came. Then I will put here this data. Then after putting the data, do you want to change anything? If you want to change colors, you can see it here. You can go here. You can actually see this data colors and all here. In x-axis, what colors they are using. Put it like pink. See how much you can give now. Or next, title, the title of the project. Automatically title is coming. You can even see total matches, year, year year of the match. This is for x-axis. And then, do you want any layout to come? Yes. Something big? No, small only, correct. Then go down, y-axis. What are the other things you want in y-axis? Do you want any title? And again, do you want legend or not? I want the legend. If you don't want legend, don't want. This is not too difficult to figure it out, na? You can keep these things. You can even put these things for zoom sliding. Now, okay, this one is fine, sir. Now, same thing, same thing. I can even convert into some kind of chart. I will even put it multiple things. Like this, all the data I will collect and I will put this all data in some kind of sheets. I can even go to the next page. I can even put multiple pages, or in single page, I will put the things. I can even show here tables here. I can even show models here. I can even show here the queries. If you want to write any queries here, you can write it the queries. I don't recommend you to write the queries, but you can write queries here also. Okay. Now, this one finally, sir, everything is done, sir. Then what I will do, I will go here, file, see here. Everyone see file, export. What I'm clicking, sir? Export. Export as PDF. Don't export it as Power BI because other person don't have Power BI na, to see. I see. I am one kind of betting guy. I don't know what team to bet. You are data analyst guy. You checked all the IPL seasons and you made one sheet. Then you will give that sheet to me. You will export, sir. I got one PDF, sir. Now, by seeing this PDF, I will understand some kind of graphs. Na? Here, nothing is there in page two, but I can make it some kind of nice sheet na analysis. Like this, you take some data in Kaggle. Kaggle is the power source for your Python people. I want to learn machine learning. I want to do something AI. I want to do something big things. Kaggle is the only thing. Kaggle provides free data sets. Go to Kaggle, download one data set. If I wanted to give you sales data set, customer ka sales data, I will go, I will find. Imagine, sir, I'm not understanding which one to take also. I am not able to think that also. Then I will go here. I will go to here, chat GPT. You all know chat GPT, na? So, so I will tell, ask the chat GPT. Ask the chat GPT. I want to become data analyst. I know MySQL. I want you to I want you to provide me a best Kaggle data set and questions to analyze so that I can try my project. Now I have to give some personality before I prompt. I think in MySQL end class I showed you this prompt engineering. If anyone don't know, I have to first give some prompt. You are professional you are professional data analyst with 10 plus years of experience. You are my mentor also. Then he will train you, simple. Okay. Then if I type it here, it will tell it like, great. So now what questions, what data sets are good for your project? They are saying take Netflix movie data. It is clean. And you go to this, download that particular one. In this, what questions you have to follow? What is the best distribution of movies? How many movies are having the distribution and TV shows? Compare them. And which countries are producing most Netflix content? How many number of releases are happening year by year? First year how many, second year how many, third year how many? Like this they are giving questions na. Each question I will find the answer, right? That is what thinking. Then when you do it these things, all these things I will find, then I will put all of them in one sheet. Ready, my MySQL thing is ready. You have to make a nice sheet like this. If anyone knows Power BI dashboard, you have to make a acha dashboard looking like this. Kind of people will do this kind of dashboards. I didn't do this, but you can do it. It's not big. Adjust nicely and properly. Barabar. And people will understand. This way, if you do it like 2 to 3 projects, then you can apply it. How to do data cleaning also you should understand. Once you understand data cleaning, perfect. You can apply for data analyst jobs. You go to Naukri and you change your resume. Keep it always 2 3 resumes. One resume is for Python. One resume is for React frontend. One resume is for data analyst. For women, I recommend you to go for something designer roles also. You will have it like easy scope, designer, HR, or direct hit. For males, you need to have high communication skills. That is different case. I'm also male. I don't know what to do. Okay. See, some jobs require some kind of presence. I believe it. So I recommend you to try these things. Data analyst is easy role. No need to do program Ray. Aram se sit and do this data analysis. Believe me, future is there. Imagine you got the job. Slowly by doing it, you will learn data science also. Right? You need to know statistics for it. I didn't try data science because it has M1. Again, I stopped it. Okay. But it has good mathematics. If anyone knows statistics, variance, standard deviation, data science is good field to go. First to do data analysis, then you can go for more bigger. Any question in this, ma? Anyone have any question in online also? No? K-drama, most watched K-drama, chart, Power BI. That is really good idea. I liked it. I tried Power BI. DAX means what, sir? DAX is not the SQL. Same like SQL, Power BI, Microsoft has their own kind of SQL. That is called DAX. DAX is kind of SQL language only, but it is not the SQL language. To convert into the databases, we use SQL language, na? DAX is also another way. Okay, but only in Power BI it will work. So that's why we don't learn it. Sir, I am not getting Power BI nice. Then use something called Looker Studio, which is 100% free. Google Looker Studio. Google provide Looker Studio, which is free. Or anyone heard this? Tableau? All are same, sir. If you know one thing in Power BI, do another project in Tableau, do another project in Looker Studio. One skill ho gaya. These are tools. These are not skills. MySQL is a skill. Workbench is a tool. Power BI is a tool. Tableau is a tool. The problem is like there are some people who will learn Power BI also for 10 days. Tableau also 20 days. It is waste of time. 2 hours में हो जाता. 2 days में like you can do it because that's a tool. How much difficult it will be. Select this, select that. Are you all getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear? How it work in Tableau, sir? Same. If you open here, same Tableau also. See, people will show these things. All you have to do is download Tableau desktop. This guy is asking all the things. Okay, but exactly same thing it will be for Power BI. All the analytics will be right side. Right side, this data will be there. Left side, it will show. Tableau, everything will be in left side. Right side, it will show the graphs. Simple. But mostly technical side, analysis side, Power BI is good, but technical side, Tableau is good. Both are competitors. Simple. What are the skills to require to become Power BI? कुछ नहीं. MySQL. Tell about fake experience. Good or bad. To put resume. Pressure. That's why I'm asking. I have 3 years gap. Very good. I will tell you. I will come to that now. Anyone have any question in the Power BI, sir? No, sir. Next, try the MongoDB. After no date 11, 12, 13, 14. Python with MySQL. Python with to do. Simple to do application रे. To do application बोले तो मालूम है? To do application बोले तो someone will create one thing. Like I will click, I will add one book front end. Book should go to the Python. That book should go to the database. Again, I click on delete button in front end. That delete should happen to Python. Python should delete in the database. बराबर. Do it. हो जाता. Your MySQL will be over if you do this. Complete full stack project you will understand. Simple to do if you do. Next, sir, MongoDB. Actually, I MongoDB, whole MongoDB you can do one day. But first try Compass and all. Do it CRUD one day. CRUD one day. Then aggregate like no operators one day. Then aggregate. Do it some 3 days. Sharding, replication. These all are theoretical things. Do it like some kind of 2 days. One day try the Atlas. Actually, I didn't tell you the Atlas one. Now I will show you now. Atlas is not a big thing. Atlas is like cloud MongoDB. Now, will the company, if I don't know anything, will they train? Training means something we are providing on the people who already know. Training doesn't mean that if you don't know, we will train. Training means, अरे कैसा बोलते हैं? You already know basic fighting. Then we will train you so that you will become professional athlete, professional boxer. Sir, I don't know how to lift my hand only. See, that is not training. Are you getting my point, ma? You know already something, but you don't know exact things. Then we will train. That is what this particular thing also. This is also training only. This is kind of coaching actually, but training works. Now, okay. Now, sir, 2 minutes. Let's focus on Atlas. You all read MongoDB Compass, na? Instead of this, MongoDB also provides you Atlas. What it will provide, ma? Atlas is a cloud MongoDB. Atlas is cloud MongoDB. If you go to MongoDB Atlas, Atlas MongoDB, it will open here. All you have to do is create an account. Get started, create an account, or I already have an account. Just click here, sign in. Then automatically it will log in into your GitHub or Google. I will just join with my Google. Go here, join with Google. Now it is signing in. Automatically it will log in. Sir, I can't do coding. Why? Hands are not there. What does it mean by I can't do? If you ask it like I can't do coding, people will say that only. You have brain, you have hands, you can. You are not doing it. Oh, acha hai. Show us Zira. Why? I will show you if you want. कुछ नहीं होता. Now देखो, sir, what is the difference between normal DB and the cloud DB is in Atlas, you will put some cluster. Cluster is like some server. Anyone remembered where is your MySQL MongoDB is running? Where is your MongoDB is running? Localhost 27017. Same way, this Atlas people will put in Singapore or something Mumbai one server. That server को बोलते हैं cluster. What's it called? Cluster. In the cluster, they will run whatever tables you are doing, whatever the queries you are doing, they will run that. They will give you one link. In that link, you will put it in your local. Same like localhost 27017, they will give you one big link. If you put that link, automatically you can connect. Difference is in localhost 27017 in your system database is there. If you take this Atlas, somewhere in your server, some database is there. That is the difference. Now I will go here, connect, and I will see here some drivers. I wanted to go for some Python, and see, this is my link. See, MongoDB plus SRV, something my name, something like password. I have to write here my password and my cluster. I have one cluster. How to connect this, sir? They will give you code also. Use this code, automatically it will connect to your Python code. But sir, in this, what is the database is there? If I go here, in this, if I go this cluster, clearly, inside this cluster, I can see here collections. I'm not having any collections here actually. Okay. If you can even create the collection here, if you wanted to put any collection, you can create the collection, you can add the data, you can do this kind of insert, delete, everything you can do by connecting to that link. Simple. Everything is same. What is the difference, sir? One is cloud, one is local. Simple. But there is one problem. Local is 100% free. Sir, I can store it like 20 GB, 50 GB also in my local. It depends on my system. But cloud is not completely free. They have limitations. After certain point, you have to pay to MongoDB for this MongoDB server. Simple. That is Atlas. Is it clear, ma? Online, it's clear. In real time, people do this kind of crazy projects. For example, I will show you one Python project. Why CMD is not opening? You can even see this Python code in your VS Code. Usually people will prefer IDEs like PyCharm. Anyone knows this one? Fast API? Heard this before? Very simple. देखो, either backend application is there. This backend application is starting on Fast API. Fast API is used to connect like some kind of framework. Okay. Same like your Django, same like your Flask, same like Fast API. All are like kind of competitors. Now, इधर देखो, मेरा पास एक रूट्स है. I am connecting that roots and endpoints to the fast API. Where is this endpoints are inside the roots? If I go to the roots inside the roots, in this I have routes, whatever the routes are there. Now, what are the routes I have? Empty route. If anyone do get request to this empty route, automatically it will say it like my API is working. If anyone do some kind of post request, automatically it will say it like, if I go here post request, what it is connecting blog collection. Where is this block collection, sir? When if you want this block collections, then you have to go here something called models. Go here models. This models have blog, and then this one is having it something base model. I will go here config. In config, they will connect to MongoDB. Anyone see this one? I don't know, like someone provided their code. They even give their password also. I don't know who is that guy. But see, now I can actually connect this guy's. Uh, this is something. If anyone observed, this is Atlas code. How the code will work, I will tell you. I will tell you in a higher perspective. If anyone can understand, please try. It will help you. Okay, but slowly try to understand. Chota doubt hai to pucho. Okay, online people also. What is full stack? I will tell you clearly. Simple logic. First, you have client. What you have? What does it mean by client? Any guess? Browser side. Front end is the client. Front end is the which one you will use? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or React or Angular? Tumhara ichha. I used something React, sir, or I used something JavaScript, sir. This is JavaScript. In this JavaScript, I want to get all the blogs. I have so many blog articles. I wrote so many blog articles. I want to show all my blogs. Right now, where are all my blogs are stored? Where you will store all your blogs, sir? Database ना? हमारे database के अंदर पूरा blocks है. When database के अंदर पूरा blocks are there. How do you get this database details? To get this database details, you will have here something called server. What you will have? This server is something your Python. So server is nothing but Python is there, but directly writing in server in Python is so difficult. That's why people will use framework. What they will use? Like Fast API or Django or uh, Flask. How they will connect, sir? Sir, this front end, this client and server will connect through APIs. Will connect through API. What it will connect, sir? If you have this knowledge, almost everything is easy. So first front end को क्या चाहिए? All blocks चाहिए ना? So front end will ask, get me all blocks. That is called get request. What is it called? Get request. So request कर रहे हैं. Client request कर रहे हैं. किसको request कर रहे हैं? API को request कर रहे हैं. API सर्वर को रिक्वेस्ट करता. देखो, I went to one restaurant, sir. In restaurant, I want biryani. Who will prepare that biryani? Chef will prepare, na? Will I go to chef and ask the biryani? No. Whom I will ask? I ask waiter. Waiter asks the chef. Chef will prepare the biryani using his ingredients, and chef will give to waiter. Waiter gives to me. Clear? Same way, front end asks API, API asks server, server will prepare it based on database, server gives to API, API gives to me. Who will who will put this API? Who will put that server? Will I put the server? No, I don't know anything. I will go to the restaurant and eat. Same way, APIs are prepared by the Python backend. So backend will put. When I ask get request, this guy will take which route you are doing. You are doing it slash blogs. I want all blogs. Which request? Get request को slash box route के लिए. In this route, I am requested. Automatically, this thing called controller. What it will go, sir? In controller, you will check the logic. Is this guy correct guy? I don't give blocks to everyone. Na? If my admin asks only, I will give. Or something correct user login person only, I will give. I will check everything. If it is correct, then I will go to what I will go ma. What is model? Model is like structure. ब्लॉक के क्या रहता स्ट्रक्चर? ब्लॉक के लिए एक आईडी रहता, ब्लॉक के लिए ब्लॉग नेम रहता, ब्लॉक के लिए ब्लॉग डिस्क्रिप्शन रहता, ब्लॉक के लिए ब्लॉग आदर रहता, ब्लॉक के लिए ब्लॉग डेट रहता. Like one structure is there na, but structure is model. Like in database you call them schema. And after this, it will connect to config. What it will connect, ma? This config will connect to drivers. It will connect to driver. What is driver in Python? Anyone guess? For MongoDB, what is driver in Python? PyMongo. Thank you. So this model will connect to PyConfig. Config will connect to PyMongo. PyMongo will connect to database. Database will give it to driver. Driver comes to the config. Config comes to the model. Model comes to controller. Controller will go to the from controller. It will go back to API. Respond. And this response will go here. And front end will show. Oh, do you want all the blocks, sir? These are my blog articles. Dekho my blogs. Barabar. This is the complete project, basically. You will build this only. To build this only, you are learning 9 months, actually. You can try it in 2-3 days, actually. Chota project ke liye. Yeah, I will show you this Chota project. Huh? Didn't understand. One more time. Explain easy way. One more time. You are going to restaurant for biryani. You are client. You are client. Restaurant, in restaurant, who prepares this biryani? Chef is the server. Chef is the. I go here, sir. I went here, guys. Everyone, please see this. In here, right click, inspect, network. Now, Beko, I am the client. I want biryani. I'm typing biryani, na? When I click here, search, bolo, what will happen? Biryani videos will come, na? Biryani videos will come, na? I am client. I am clicking the button in front end. I am clicking the button in. This front end will ask, this client will ask server, give me all biryani videos. But does server know anything, sir? No. Server will check, is this guy correct guy? Can I give biryani videos for him? Is this correct or not? First he will validate. What he will do first? Validate. उसके बाद ओके आई विल गिव बिरयानी वीडियोस बट वीडियोस बोले तो क्या रहना वीडियोस बोले तो वीडियो का एक यूआरएल रहना वीडियो का एक टाइटल रहना उसका चैनल नेम रखना व्यूज रखना लाइक वन मॉडल इज देयर ना वन स्ट्रक्चर इज देयर उसके बाद that guy will like the server know anything no server will connect to database server will connect to database के अंदर पूरा बिरयानी वीडियोस रहता it will bring all the biryani videos and will show you देखो I will show you here click here when I click here अरे let's click one more time why it is not happening huh huh it should happen now huh seriously it is coming huh why it is not showing it here देखो why it is not showing it somewhere it should show this the biryani one हाँ देखो search here search is happening somewhere the search will happen on one particular thing which one sir which link I am searching sir you are asking देखो guys please you are asking youtube.com but this youtube.com is asking something youtube.com/utube/v1/search/pretty false which one it is asking it is asking सर्वर को बिरयानी पूछ रहे हैं so server will give one answer you see sir guys server is giving one answer in this answer keys are there in this answer videos will be there in this answer what is the name will be there all these details देखो हर each video का link हर each video का width हर each video का height it will show whatever they are showing that thing front end will show so client पूछ रहे हैं सर्वर दे रहा है सर्वर को कैसा मालूम सर्वर वो डेटाबेस को कनेक्ट करता बराबर कोई डाउट है इसमें Any website you go, right click, inspect network, you will see that website ka pura history. Simple. Usually hacking people do that. Now clear ma? Online clear. Same way, MongoDB also. I will give you this project. Sir, I will give you this project. In this project, what they are doing? First, where do you start ma? Which file you will start Python? Which file you will start? Main.py. Which file? Some people will start app.py also. Your wish. Beko, did you understand anything here? No, na? But you understand one thing. Something from routes is coming, na? Something from routes it is coming, na? What is from routes it is coming? Endpoints. What is coming? But sir, routes क्या है? तो routes का नाम एक फोल्डर है, उसके अंदर जाओ. जा गया. इधर इसके अंदर क्या है? इसके अंदर कॉन्फ़िग है, देखो. इसके अंदर क्या है सर? कॉन्फ़िग है. इसके अंदर मॉडल्स है. इसके अंदर सीरियलाइजर्स है. वो क्या है सर? पहला कॉन्फ़िग को जाओ. कॉन्फ़िग में क्या हो रहा है? कॉन्फ़िग में पाईमोंगो का क्लाइंट दे रहा है. पाईमोंगो को कनेक्ट हो रहा है. पाईमोंगो कनेक्ट हो गया. पाईमोंगो पर टू कलेक्शंस क्रिएट कर दिया. कलेक्शंस का नाम ब्लॉक्स यूजर्स. दे कनेक्टेड सर. once they are connected once they are connected, then come to model. सर हर each ब्लॉक को मॉडल क्या है? सर हर each ब्लॉक को मॉडल. मॉडल ब्लॉक के अंदर क्या रहता सर? देखो उधर ब्लॉक के अंदर क्या रहता? टाइटल रहता, डिस्क्रिप्शन रहता, कंटेंट रहता, ऑर्डर रहता. ब्लॉक के अंदर डेट रहता सर? नो, बिकॉज यू डिड नॉट गिव. देन it will come to serializer. In this serializer, this guy is checking. If you wanna convert the blog, for example, someone is giving wrong, you have to convert. That guy writes some kind of thing. Simple, हो गया project. Then, if anyone ask, get request, sir. If anyone ask, get request, give me all the blocks. Automatically, it will go to block collection and it will do find. Obviously, na find only will give all the things. And whatever answer he is getting, that answer he is converting into nice format and he is giving back. Okay, sir. If someone ask only specific blog slash specific id, वो specific id को ढूंढ रहा है. How do you know that specific id? Find underscore id. They are doing it. Find one. You know na find one. They are doing it and they are getting it. If someone is doing update, they will do it like find and update. This guy is having a different commands here in PyMongo, but we will use it in direct MongoDB update one. Same way here, delete. If you want to delete something from front end, you will do this. If you want to add any new one, you will use this post command. Barabar. Your MongoDB is connected, Python is connected. This thing you will give it to your front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Khatam. I will give you this file, everyone. I will give you this file in Classroom and Drive. What I recommend you to do is ask GPT or kuch bhi. If you know it, I'm so happy. Do it HTML, CSS, JavaScript. No need of React also. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It should show all the blocks. When you click on delete button, it should delete the block. When you click on new button and give data, it should add the block. When you click on updated, it should update the data. Is it clear, ma? Is it working or not? Try it. How it is working line by line, check it. Believe me, that will give you more knowledge than most of your course. Then your mind will tell, add one more thing. In blocks ko aur ek add karo, aur ek add karo, aur ek add karo. You will become big project. Simple. Online, is it clear, sir? Till now, anyone have any doubts? No? Okay, I'm happy. Now, last but not least, sir, in my course, I wanted to tell you after this all, what is most important in, especially in false, I am seeing in most people, the biggest problems I'm seeing in people are communication, Amirpet, resume, network. I wanna discuss these three things. I will tell you the tips in communication. I will tell you my tips, my own tips in resume, how to do it. I will give you something ATS friendly resume also, and I will tell you how to do it like something good network so that you will get the job easily. First tip: communication. Is there anyone from local mediums like Telugu, local medium बोले तो Telugu medium, Urdu medium, Marathi medium? No, I'm from Telugu medium. Anyone? Any other medium, sir? So that means except these people remaining all are English medium only. So from childhood you are speaking English, sir. Obviously, very good. Yes, if anyone Telugu na, I studied until my 10th class in Telugu medium. We have it like in maths, we have something different words. Trikonamiti, trigonometrica, Dirgha Chaturasram. It's rectangle it is. Okay. Tribhujam, triangle. Oh, you guys know that's good. Craziest thing is circle, Vruttam. I, I can't even tell that. But point is, na, when I'm in Telugu medium, I used to feel so easy. Why? Because social science, everything I used to write it in my own Telugu because I speak Telugu. But suddenly, intermediate, we came to English and I joined an IIT. First thing I don't understand that was too difficult for mathematics less people. People like me, IIT is too difficult. And especially everything is in English, science, maths, everything. Then something started. I wanted to learn. The tips I followed to learn communication. First tip: people will tell you speak, people will tell you kind of read, people will tell you kind of write. I tell you to listen. Listen is the easiest thing. I know like why other people, I don't know anything in Hindi, to say it truly, but I can do some kind of Hindi songs. I can sing some Hindi songs. I don't sing, but I can manage. Chhod do now. The point is, nay, listen. I know the lyrics. I know the lyrics. Any guess why I know the lyrics even though I don't know language? Because when you listen the song, you will feel some kind of connection and you will kind of speak that lyrics. You will concentrate on the lyrics. For example, if I watch a movie na, I don't get the dialogues. Why? Because when I'm watching movie, my concentration goes on the kind of people, my concentration goes on the surroundings, my concentration goes on the kind of actions, right or not? But when you are listening na, listening the song, your eyes are closed, you are blank, you are just focusing on that lyrics. If you don't know Tamil, listen to Tamil song, slowly Tamil song you will speak. Same way, I want you to listen to some kind of TED talks, listen to some kind of movies. Don't see English movies, listen English movies. Believe me, that's craziest thing. You are listening, you are understanding, you are closing your eyes, you are listening the movie. Like some hero is talking to heroine. You can imagine you are a hero. You can imagine someone is heroine. Just imagine re. हो गया now. But you will understand the depth of the dialogue. But if you are seeing the movie now, you don't understand. Why? Because some hero is there, some heroine is there. Are you getting my point, ma? Listening is so much powerful and underrated. Most people don't try. See, you can't speak because your friends don't speak English. If you speak in front of them English, they will see you like alien. What though? So you can't read because after reading one page anyway, your mind will say sleep. So you can't read it. You don't write because you are too lazy. Simple. So easiest thing to work is put your earphones and listen more and more English. Second tip: if you wanna speak now, speak to people who are kind of less age than you. It will give confidence. Go to one school. No, believe me, people don't. I tried this all. People don't tell you, na. I tried this all. You go to one school, tell to the kind of principal, we are from IIT Bombay, we are doing some kind of survey or something kind of one. All it will take is 5 minutes, and you take any one class, eighth class or seventh class or something. Then you tell them some story or joke, kuch bhi. Say it like all your things. I am this, I am that, I am this, whatever. Then ho gaya. After 5 minutes, everyone will clap for you, and you will come down. First thing, you will speak very confidently. You know why? Because those all are chota kids. The reason I'm so confident when I'm speaking in front of you, you all are chota kids. Simple. When you go to ninth class people, no one, you will not feel like, array, what if that guy is thinking wrong? No. If anyone is talking now, you can say them, get out. You can speak. You have that freedom. You can control. If you can't control ninth class, go to fourth class. Simple. Or LKG. But LKG you can't control, right? Fourth class is good. No. But maybe for you, it is not great story. But believe me, na, in that children's mind, they will remember for lifetime. They are like, when I'm in eighth class, one guy came or one girl came. She taught in a story. It is so good. She's so good speaking and all. You are not good speaking. You just told only one story. You buttified that story. But believe me, that will give you confidence. Confidence come by speaking, but most people can't speak because they are not having like fear in front of everyone. If I have it like my friends, or if I have it like my colleagues or elders, I might feel bad. But if I have kids, I can speak very easily. So speak in front of the kids. The more you speak in front of the kids, the more command you will get, more confidence you will get. You ask them, कोई question है तो पूछो. That guy will ask you छोटा छोटा questions. When you try to answer them, your confidence will increase, sir. Because you know already life. It is not like someone need to teach. These two tips are enough. 90% of the times, these two tips are enough. No one will tell you these things. Now, here, if I go, all I want is listen and speak to kids. Believe me, if you try it for 1 month, na, you will have so much confidence and so much English. After that, if you can try reading, okay, read some kind of magazines, read some kind of stories, read some kind of jokes. I love to read comics. If anyone wants to try, read comics. Those things will help you. Simple. But try the school one today only. Some Dabba schools will be there everywhere. You go to that school and teach it. If you are so much confident, na, go to engineering college. Problem is engineering people don't listen anything. Okay, go to school only better. Now, next one. Online, I think online people almost 100 messages came. I don't know what they are doing. Oh, languages, MongoDB. When will be the last class? Today is last class. Japanese cannot speak English, but because they don't care. Huh? I think people went to something so different. Why Japan came? Now, next resume. Skill comes by practice. When you speak again and again, you will get all 100% sure. Try it for 1 month, you will see the results. Next, resume. You know why 99% of resumes are bad? Because 99 resumes are copy of a copy of a copy. Someone will like, how do you prepare a resume? Simple, sir. I will take resume from my friend or my faculty, or I will go to online type resume. I will download it and edit my name. No, sir. In engineering, we used to say it like this thing: a single paper cannot decide my future. Actually, single paper decide your future. That is resume. One single paper that decide your future is resume. When you go to interviews, they don't ask your certificates. Sir, I did it in Naresh IT, chhod do. I did it in something JNTU, chhod do. Where is your resume? 4 years of studying engineering certificate, no one will ask. 1 hour preparing of Word document, 2 rupees Xerox paper, they will ask your resume. Your resume is not that only 2 rupees, it worth your life. If something is worth my life, how much care I have to take? Every letter, every word, every font, every space, I should write it from my blood. No, go to ChatGPT, type it resume, download that resume, give it to someone. Why that much carelessness? So many people I saw. Interesting point is when I see resume, sometimes in my company, for technical interviews, they will give me. So when I see resume, sir, 90% of resumes are exactly same. Why? They download from internet. पहला internet template को छोड़ दो. There is something called MS Word. Everyone knows it, ma? Open MS Word document. Your own resume in your creativity. There is something called creativity. What you should have in your resume? If I have to prepare my resume, first I will keep it here. My name, something Prasad. I will write full name anyway. Who is this Prasad? I will write it here. Prasad is some kind of creative web developer, something. Now I will write it, but your wish. Then, what is Prasad ka phone number? I will write Prasad ka phone number. What is Prasad ka email? I will write Prasad ka email. And what is his GitHub? And what is his LinkedIn? That much only. I don't need to give my kind of I don't need to give my Instagram, my WhatsApp. No need. This much is enough. After this, I will start my summary. Sir, what is your summary? You should write it, sir. Instead of asking the chat GPT, give me my summary. उसको मैं कैसा मालूम है तुम क्या है? No one knows who you are except you. I should write it. A fun, creative person, love to do hard, complex problems in a simple way. Now, this is not copy. I'm just doing it like whatever my heart really felt. Have 8+ years of experience of building multiple projects using React. Something I will write it Python or something I will write it here MySQL. I will use this my kind of summary however I want. Flow. I want people to have the flow. Every time freshers will ask me how to write the resume. तुमको एक hard your brain should tell instinct. That thing you should write summary. After summary, what is important? Skills. Some people's resume is like the Amirpet brochure. What are your skills? Python, Java, MongoDB, C Sharp, .NET, React, Node, MySQL, everything they will put. Anyone you saw, if you see anyone's resume, some people's resume, they have it like technical skills, database skills, operating skills, something like what are they? Communication skills, decision, something they will put. When I see that many people that many skills even I will feel scared. This guy knows more than me. Imagine some technical interview is happening. What is the interview is about? React developer. You went to React interview. You went to React interview to become React developer. What is your skill should be? React ना? नहीं. उधर जावा है, पाइथन है, मशीन लर्निंग है, डेटा साइंस भी है. मैं नई जॉब देता हूँ. Simple. I feel like this guy knows more than everyone in the world. Freshers will know everything. Problem is, serious know only one thing. Oh, what is your specialization? I do Java. That's nice. That is senior. What is your specialization? I do Java. I'm a Java full stack developer, but I did my projects in Python with machine learning. Crazy, na? They will they will show this. I did Python, machine learning, I have Java, I have certification course on Bootstrap. They don't, they are not related. Something like IoT, something like deep learning, something like big words in Amirpet. They will put everything. Don't put multiple cooks spoils the broth. Basic logic. So keep your skills very minimal and simple. I want skills to be next. After skills, education. Believe me, sir, no one care about your education. So put your highest degree. If I have to keep here, sir, what you did, MTech, where you did, JNTUK, when you did some year, whatever, and that much only. I will give some kind of description about it. If I wanted, I will give did this something something description. If you have good percentage, na, you will put your good percentage. If you don't have good percentage, don't put it. Imagine I showed here percentage. What will you feel about me now? Not good, na? But if I don't show percentage, na, kuch nahi hota. Now you are not feeling bad about me. The HR will ask me, what is your percentage? I will tell some kind of 81 I got. Okay. Do you think HR will remember that? I have to qualify interview. I have to get the job. I have to join the job. They have to call me for certificate verification. In that certificate verification, they will see 58%. Do you think HR will call me at the time, Prasad, you said in interview 81, but in certificates it said 58? No. Even if HR remembers and calls me, I will say, no, no, at that day I said 58 only. Simple, na? When you lie to someone, na, remember this. When you lie to someone, na, don't show proof. This is the biggest mistake people do. Sir, I want to put fake certificate. I want to put fake experience. If you want to fake something, don't show the proof. Do you have any experience? Yes, I have experience. I worked in company that is a startup company. We worked there, but after some 6 months, the company kind of closed. Do you have any pay slips? No, I don't have any pay slips. Simple. Do you think they will believe it? No, but they are okay with it because you are not arguing, you are not showing proof. Imagine in front of me, two people came, Ray. Two people came for job. Boys, understand practically. Two people came for job. One guy said it like they have 6 months experience in one startup company. Startup company closed, but this guy is not having any pay slips. Another guy said it like he is completely fresher. Which one do you think I will give job? First one I will give job. Then I will go to first one. I will say, you are not having any experience certificate. So we will pay you fresher salary only. छोड़ दो about salary. Job आ गया ना. When you lie to someone, don't show them proof. When you show the proof, they will cross verify it. Do you really work it? Sir, this is my payslip. Then they will verify that payslip correct or not. If it is wrong, people will unnecessarily blame you. But I don't show the proof. If you want to consider, consider it. If I were not considering, I'm okay. But I have experience. I have that knowledge. Oh, gaya, barabar you will get the job. That is not called faking. That is called bluffing. In English, they call. People love to bluff. They have cool drink. They will show this is the sweetest cool drink in the world. No, not. They will just bluff. This juice have lemons in it. Actually, not. No 7 Up have lemons. They will just show. That is called bluffing. Are you getting my point, ma? Imagine they write somewhere. This one really have lemons 100%. That is fake. No company do that. Have you ever seen that? You see marketing. Companies will show it like, for example, 7 Up, they will show lemons ad and they will show 7 Up. But in the 7 Up logo, they will never write it is lemons 100%. Because if they write it now, people will claim. If you say it like, if you go to court and say it like 7 Up show lemons, but it is not lemon, then they're like, no, no, I just show lemons because they are looking good. Simple. Bluffing is easy. No one will catch you bluffing. Do it bluff. And don't show your percentage. Imagine I write it here 2012, passed out. What is the next question you will get me? What you did after 2012? If you mention something, they will ask you that thing. Be prepared with it. What you will tell, sir? Say this only. If anyone passed in 2024, sir, you are in 2025. People will ask you what you did 1 year, what you did in last 2 years. Don't say it like in Naresh IT I trained. No, in Naresh IT you taught. You are a trainer in Naresh IT. Say it. कुछ नहीं होता. Or not even Naresh IT. There is some Dabba engineering colleges. Anyone knows it? In your surroundings, there will be some kind of Dabba engineering colleges, na? In my home, some colleges are there. No one knows their name except that owner. Now, and I will go to the interview and I will say, in that engineering college, I worked as a Java professor for the last 2 years. Oh, they are like, okay. Then HR will say it like, teaching experience we don't consider, but you can join as a fresher. Okay. Because the teacher don't have any salary. That is a Dabba college. That salary they will not give payslip. They put the salary in bank account. You can say them they will give me in hand salary. Whenever they give me hand, whatever you do, kuch bhi, black money. Are you getting my point, ma? Don't ever commit the proofs. The moment you commit the proofs, you will ruin everything. Last, projects. Acha dekho, what are the projects you put, sir, in your resume? People will put multiple projects, Ray. Like in the college project, you are ECE. Will you put your ECE project in computers? You are now completely professional. Maybe you are from CSC, maybe you are from civil. वो छोड़ दो. अभी तुम CSE है पूरा. Everyone CSE only from now onwards. So keep your CSE projects only. If you are applying for data science, if you are applying for MySQL data analysis, put data analysis projects only. Remove other projects. If you are applying for Python, only put Python projects. Don't put Java. Don't even put the Java name. If you are applying for Java, don't even put that Python projects. How do you get that projects? Simple logic. Type it in Google, go to GitHub, download someone's project, then change everything, change colors, change fonts, change names, and push it into your own GitHub. तुम्हारा project हो गया. Now put that project name and description and prepare. If you are lying, you should prepare that story. Right now, in one movie is name there called Drishyam. Anyone knows it? In that movie, they will tell one lie basically. But for the lie, they prepare one nice story. No one can break that. Sir, you are basically interview is lying. The professional liar will pass easily. Interview is not about honesty. This is not marriage. Honesty is not best policy. Interview is about faking. When you are selling something, you will fake it. Very barabar. Sir, I am so good, sir. I will just fake it however I want. You fake it nicely, you lie nicely, and you tell this project I did. In this project, we did this much. This one we did. This kind of module I used. Everything learner. Prepare a nice stories. But others should not able to catch you. I know some people are good in lying, chodo, but some people are very bad in lying. I don't know why. On the first moment, people will catch you. Don't be bad liar, sir. Lying is a skill. There is one book called Art of Lying. Please read it. I loved it actually. Lies are easy. See, you should not lie to your partner. You should not lie to your parents. But you can lie to your office. You can lie to your HR. That is how it works. And put some 2 to 3 projects. Internship. Anyone did internship, ma? How many of you done internship? Good. All successfully wasted time. Now, sir, people who did internship, I'm sorry. You got certificate, na? That certificate looking like some kind of participation certificate only. You go to Canva and you download one certificate will come exactly same way. And go to some Xerox shop in Amirpet, they will print that certificate. Where you did internship. I will write nicely. I did internship on something called third party website. Like I did internship on something why not software solutions company. I did this, I built this, everything. Where is this why not software? The company is only not there. I will just say it. First thing, no one asks you certificate. Believe me, people never asked me my MTech BTech certificates. They are in JNTUK. They are safe there actually. Now, so you don't need to worry about it. So you just say you did internship, even though you did not. Are you getting my point, ma? This much are good. If you wanted to make it more better, sir, put it something hobbies. Anyone tell me what are your good habits, sir? Hobbies? What are the hobbies you are keeping, sir, in your resume? Reading books. What if, sir, someone asks you, what is your favorite book? Huh? Ikigai. Anyone ask you favorite book, what you will do? Problem is, if someone asks you, I know time is over, few I will complete. If someone asks you, what is your favorite, like, book or something kind of one, what is your favorite movie? What is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? Don't say famous things. Say infamous things. For example, who is your favorite director, sir? I will say some name. It is Russian director. Simple. Or who is your favorite actor? Philippines director. Philippines actor. Simple. If I say some kind of Spanish actor is my favorite, or what is your favorite book? Something like The Michigan, which is a famous book in some kind of French. Simple. Then that HR will think, oh, this guy know French books also. What is the story? I will reverse the Bahubali story and I will tell. Point is that book no one knows. That is infamous book. If I tell something famous book like Ikigai, that guy will ask me. If I tell who is your favorite actor, imagine I say some nice actor, na, the guy will argue with me. No, no, that guy actor is not good. But if I say Russian actor, na, that guy will not argue. He don't know that, na. Then he will be like, okay, this guy knows more than me, intelligent guy. So always say the things which other people don't know. When someone asks you who is your favorite author, you should say one name that no one knows that author name. People will be like intelligent. Are you getting my point, ma? Because you don't give them chance. If you say it like famous, who is your favorite director, Rajmouli, then another people will say it like, no, no, that guy is not good. Why argument? Why? You go open Twitter. All our fan wars happened because of this only. I will put some kind of Russian heroine, French actor, or Philippines hero. Okay, people are stuck in Russia. Another thing is that Russia is good friend of India. Okay, you are thinking something now. Are you all getting my point, ma? Please learn how to manipulate the people. Art of lying is very good. Girls already knows it. Boys learn it. Yeah, I know that. I know that. I have been there. Now, boys, you are innocent souls. You don't know manipulation. Learn it. Okay. Now, last one, sir. Network. How many people are there in your LinkedIn? 100, 500. Anyone have it like 1,000 plus? One guy only. Array, go to LinkedIn. Type it Python developer. All Python developers will come. Connect, 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 click. You don't know them. Just click connect. Same like in initial Facebook days, how we used to do send ad request. Same way do it. In LinkedIn, na 90% will accept. Then you will have 1,000 plus Python people in your LinkedIn. One day post. One day post some kind of nice meme about Python. Then people will see your meme. They will like it. Then one day post about some kind of nice reels or something like some motivation. Python is so good, something. One day post your Python project. People will be like so much good. Then one day post it like I'm so and so, I'm looking for job and this is my resume. Please share. All these Python developers will share your resume. You will get it the job within 2 days. Social media is so much powerful. People don't use them. That is a problem. They open Twitter and use it for fan wars. They open it like LinkedIn. They use it for only applying. but you can use it for so much. Trick the people. Is it clear, ma? Any other sources if you need, any other help you need, any other guidance if you need in your future, you can contact me through my mail ID. This is my mail ID. That's it for today. Thank you all. Have a happy life. Bye bye. Online, if anyone wants to contact also, you can contact me here, sir. This is my mail ID, sir. Thank you all. Bye bye. No class for tomorrow. Hey, why tomorrow, Ray? When I attended the interview, they just told me that project. They just told me to write the project for major project. Are they mad? Like your major project will have it like 1,000+ lines. No one will ask you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will miss you. Bye. You provide mail ID. That is my mail ID. Hello. Database हो गया रे. We don't know your face. No need to know. Could you please share LinkedIn profile? No. Monday no class, sir. Course completed, sir. Project on database I showed, sir. I will give you on drive also, sir. Project I already showed. I will upload. Insta ID, no? ఇది కూడా ఆన్లైన్ టెంప్లెట్. ఓ ఎండి కూడా డాట్ ఎండి కూడా వస్తుంది. చూడండి ఇట్లా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎలా రాస్తాం? HTML CSS జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఏంటి నాకు అర్థం కాలా. అంటే నేను అలా చేసాను. అంటే కొంచెం హెవీగా అనిపించడానికి ఇలా రాయకూడదు. ఇవి ఏంటంటే టెక్నాలజీస్ ఇవన్నీ తీసేసి ఒక రియల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ పెట్టి ఇప్పుడు టిక్ టాక్ అనేది ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్. దాన్ని నువ్వు ఏం వాడే చేసావు? HTML CSS జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ వాడి చేసావు. అలాగే రాయాలి ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్, ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఏమేమి టెక్నాలజీస్ వాడారు. కానీ ఇవన్నీ చోటా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. ఒక మంచి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక ఈ-కామర్స్ వెబ్సైట్ దాన్ని చేసాం, దాని గురించి రాయాలి. టాలీ ఈ-కామర్స్ వెబ్సైట్ ఇందులో చేసాము. ఒక మూవీ వరల్డ్, ఇది ఒక ఓటీటీ అప్లికేషన్, ఇందులో ఇది చేసాము. ఒక బ్లాగ్, ఇందులో బ్లాగ్స్ ఇలా చేసాము ఫుల్ స్టాక్. అలాగే అవి రాయాలి. ఇది తప్పు. ఓకే. ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఎంత చేసావు అనేది ఇక్కడ తప్పే. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఇందులో ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఎక్కడ రాసావో చేసావు, ఇది చేసావు. కానీ అందులో ఏమేమి టెక్నాలజీస్ వాడామనేది నీట్ గా రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ AML కాదు, ఇందులో పైథాన్ నేర్చుకున్నారు, ఇందులో ఇది చేశారు, అందులో ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ డెవలప్ చేశారు. అన్నిట్లోనే కామన్ గా పైథాన్ వచ్చింది సార్. పైథాన్ అన్ని టెక్నాలజీ రాయాలి, మళ్ళీ రాయాలి అయినా సరే. ఎందుకంటే పర్వాలేదంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ రెస్యూమే మీ వర్డ్ చదివాడు అనుకో, 10 సార్లు పైథాన్ చదివితే నీకు 10 సార్లు వచ్చి అనుకుంటాడు. అంతే కదా. మనం పద్దాక రిపీట్ చేస్తేనే వాళ్ళు తెలుసుకుంటారు కదా.